In this video, I'm going to show you how to match properties in Bluebeam. Now you can do this very easily by using the format painter. Now the way you do that is basically you have to first have something you would like to match properties of. So for example, let's say I'm going to create some new random text over here that's just going to say, hey there. Like this, there we go, and I would like to basically match properties with this one. So I'd like this one to look like this without me having to go through the manual process. Now it's actually very simple. First you have to select the object, or of course text, or whatever you are using that you want to copy the properties of. So for example, I'm going to click on this one over here, then you want to go to edit up top, and you want to click on format painter. Now of course you could also use Ctrl plus Shift plus C on your keyboard if you prefer keyboard shortcuts. Now what this will do here is it's going to copy these properties, and if I now go ahead and click that on this new text, as you can see, it's basically matched properties, and I can go ahead and do this on any text over here that I wish. So that's basically how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.